radio and you hear a lot of whistles blow. That's Rex with the sound effects. When you hear the cow go moo 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 and the rooster cock-a-doodle-doo. That's Rex with the sound effects. Once he made a blunder and did his face turn red. Instead of making thunder, he, like a duck instead, he does them all without a flaw. He even imitates a saw. That's Rex with the sound effects. He imitates most anything. When you tune in on the radio and you hear a tyrant whistle blow. That's Rex with the sound effects. When you hear the jingle of a sleigh and the old gray mare begins to neigh. That's Rex with the sound effects. When he's at a party, he always has the floor. He imitates most anything from a dinner bell to a lion's roar. When he's driving in the morn, he makes a sound like an auto horn. That's Rex with his sound effects.